Hey guys, and welcome to Space Engine. This is a game which isn't really a game, which I've kind of come to review and show you guys around. I've been finding it increasingly hard to put out a vlogging video, so I'm just going to cheese off this game instead. Now, one thing you need to know about this game is lens flare. That is a thing which you need to know a lot about. So this right here is the Earth, the planet that you all know and love. Here's South America. Whoa! Okay, let's let it load. Okay, yeah, this is a game. No, this is a game where it's not really a game where planets and suns and different stars. Whoa! I need to be so careful. Are all generated by a computer using a series of codes, such as this. Now, some of the known stars that we know, like the solar system, already input, so we don't need to worry about that. But most of this stuff here is procedurally generated. This allows for a lot of exploration. And we have motion blur, which can make some people sick, but I love it. And yeah, lens flare, like every Michael Bay film in the history of ever. And it's 3D, and I love it. Now, if this works, whoa, oh gosh, I just targeted away from it. Oh well, this will allow me to show you the search feature. You can search for anything. So like the real name of our sun is not sun, or the sun. It's actually called Sol, if you didn't know. See? Oh dear. Oh, we're here. We're just tracking on Earth still. And if we go Earth. Okay. So that's, see? I'm not lying. And then we press G. G. Okay, never mind. Oh no, we're going. So now we're back here. Yeah, so as you can see, this is a temperate terra with life. If we can land on the object, if it loads, if like the terrain loads. Oh, we need to disable that. Now this is a thing which is in. This is a beta game. Oh, I've entered the cloud layer. That's quite cool. You can like pretend you're a satellite. I've actually seen quite a few like machinima videos like that. Okay. Yeah. So that if we look, so they've got the terrain in, but the textures need a little bit. Ah, we disable the atmosphere. That looks really weird. I don't know how I did that. I don't know how I did that. Ah, there we go. That makes it look a little bit better. Yeah, so some of these textures haven't been done. But I've seen some where it's absolutely perfect. But anyway, enough dawdling. Let's go explore. So yeah, sometimes I will just get lost, like click, click. We could see. Go to an orange dwarf binary star system. This is basically a solar system comprised of 2 stars with relatively the same mass, and therefore orbit on one another. Hey, what's in the middle? So I have the 2 stars here. Okay. Oh, I guess that's just where the hit marker is in between. So it's equal. We actually have conjoining lens flare. That's interesting. Michael Bay have stumped us once again. I don't think Michael Bay worked on this. So let's search for something like Beetlejuice. Oh, I spelled it wrong. I don't know how to spell it. Can I just do juice? No. Okay, I don't have to spell that. So Alpha Centauri? No? Okay, fine. We'll just go to Altair. I like this star, mainly because it's named after one of the main characters in Assassin's Creed, or rather, one of the main characters in Assassin's Creed named after the place. That's also not responding. My game. That's nice. I really like the star, mainly because a main video game character and video game character were named after this Altair. Never mind. An interesting feature, which I've promptly forgotten. So we're going to controls. Spaceship list. If we do control and F3. Yeah, F3 was how I was selecting places. So if you press F3, there you go. Now here we go. Shift and F3 will bring up this. This is very fun. If we go there, which will take a second, I'll be back with you when it does. Okay. Switch to go. We can actually control this spacecraft, which is really fun. Ooh, this is quite difficult. Let's decrease our acceleration. Typos. I don't actually know how you go. Force is W, I suspect. But yeah, this is really fun. Actually, let's take it. Let's take it to Earth, shall we? Let's take it back to Earth. G. That doesn't work. Boop. How do we exit this thing? I don't know how to leave. Free mode. Okay, there we go. Now it's gone. Let's go to Earth. I'm sorry if it's just like my mindless adventures, but shift F3, teleport you here, switch to, boop, and let's go on an adventure in the oh no, that is... I might hook up a joystick in later videos. I was just thinking if... well, this game called Kerbal Space Program, where you design and make your own spacecraft and go into space and explore the solar system. Search it up. If that were to combine with this, it could create something truly amazing. I want to see what happens. Wait, what? I don't know. Whoa. Q and E. T. 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 I'm making people sick. Let's stop now. Okay. Right. So yeah, we can just click around until we get like up here. You can see my cursor. If we can find a temperate, oh no, just like a, it should say with life in brackets. That would be pretty cool. Yeah, this is not how it's done in real life. We don't just have like a map and we search. We don't know all this stuff. It's like eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Blah 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 blah. You. No? So I guess while I search, I'm gonna just give some updates. There's like a vlog and a random rambling video of Gameage all at the same time. Ooh. Who are you? Kind of like our sun, orange dwarf. Our sun doesn't look like that. Okay. It's like Deus Ex all up in here. Yeah, let's leave. Got into interstellar space, which is show objects. Nope. F5 or is it F4? I don't know. F6. There we go. I want to show you this. Go to. Anyway, so as I was saying, some updates. I'll explain this in a minute. Some updates. A new album on my other channel has been coming along nicely, covering 5. Got 2 songs on at the moment. 2 remixes of an Assassin's Creed track and Skyfall. That was quite fun. We should be starting some gaming on this channel, hopefully. I've recorded a mystery thing, so you should look forward to that, hopefully. But yeah, what the hell is this, you may ask? This is a black hole. Now, you might be thinking, this is not what I anticipated a black hole to look like. It looks kind of weird. There's no, like, where's the event horizon? And what is all this like? Like, what are these? The light. And this is due to a theory known as gravitational lensing. It was discovered by Isaac Newton. I can't remember in what year, when he was alive, obviously. And it's basically, it works on the theory that light is bent by the black hole and its immense gravitational pull. We now know today that the singularity in the middle of the black hole infinitely curves space-time. Space-time is, we think, is kind of like the lattice. It's the framework of the universe, and everything has an imprint on that. I'll put a picture up, and yeah, black hole infinitely curves space-time, and what this means that anything traveling through the space-time, when it gets into a vicinity of the thing where it starts to get bent, it will travel along, well, the space-time lattice, if you will, and and produce this. So is actually the light being bent around the black hole. So what we're seeing now, or like this bit where the black hole is, where its gravitational pull is actually behind the black hole. Like, look, there you go. It's hard to like describe, just cause, and you can see kind of like the event horizon here. There's nothing. It's a little buggy. Like from out here, if you like, you wouldn't be able to tell. Actually, yeah, and as you start to get close to it, the light gets bent more and more, and you can see more of it. And the event horizon of a black hole is black because not even light can escape its gravitational pull, as I have already told you. Now, where the hell are we? Where? Is it the Milky Way? Hold up. Yeah, look, you can't even tell. Let's find out. Milky Way. This one. Okay. Galaxy Milky... Yeah, that's the Milky Way. Go to. No, it is not. Oh, yes, it is. So there you go. Actually, obviously this is not a real representation of the Milky Way. This is what we believe it looks like. It's an approximation. Hey, what is this? Ooh. It's a supercluster. Oh no, not a supercluster, cluster. Careful. Yeah, this is a... What is this? I don't know what this is. Whoa. That is a cluster. I'm not sure what it is, but I think this is a supercluster. Superclusters are, well, as it suggests, a supercluster, a massive cluster of stars. This is, yeah, the center of the Milky Way is actually a black hole. Just one giant black hole of holiness. And look, many different clusters within the black hole. And actually, I'll show you our location with regards. There you go. I think this is the Orion arm. I might be mistaken. I probably am. Boop. G. It'll take a second. Give it time. Give it time. Here we go. I'm pretty sure we're going much faster than the speed of light. This is an inaccurate representation of what it would look like. Boop. There we go. Right back home. That's actually where we started. So yeah, that was the first episode of Space Engine, where I kind of potted about and did a little relaxed on a Friday. Just broken up from school. So yeah. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I certainly have. I don't know about you. Probably not. But my name's Jake, and I'll see you next time.